In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change CapCut quality so your videos export in the best possible resolution and look clean, sharp, and professional. This is one of the easiest things you can do if your video looks blurry, pixelated, or just doesn't look as good as it should after export. Whether you're posting to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or anywhere else, knowing how to set the right CapCut export quality can make a huge difference. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project inside CapCut and make sure everything is edited the way you wanted. Before exporting, it's always a good idea to quickly review your timeline so you're not wasting time rendering something you still need to fix. Once you're ready, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap or click the Export button. This is where CapCut gives you access to the export settings, including resolution, frame rate, and bitrate. After you open the Export menu, locate the Resolution drop-down menu. This is the main setting that controls how sharp and detailed your final video will be. If you want a standard video that works well for most platforms, choose 1080p. This is usually the best option for regular sharing and keeps your file size manageable. If you want ultra-high definition and your project supports it, you can select 2K or 4K for even better visual quality. Higher resolutions look amazing, especially for large screens, but they can also create bigger files and take longer to export. Next, adjust the frame rate setting. Frame rate affects how smooth your video looks when it plays. If your content is standard and you want a balanced export, 30 frames per second is a solid choice. If you're working with gaming footage, fast motion, or you want a smoother, more polished result, go with 60 frames per second. Just remember that using a higher frame rate can increase file size, so choose the option that best fits your project and platform. Now move on to the code rate or bitrate setting. This is another important part of changing CapCut quality because it affects how much data is used to preserve video detail. If your goal is the best possible export quality, set the bitrate to high. A higher bitrate usually means better clarity, fewer compression artifacts, and a cleaner final result. This is especially useful if your video has lots of movement, text, or detailed visuals. Once you've selected the resolution, frame rate, and bitrate you want, take one final look at your settings to make sure everything matches your goal. If you're exporting for social media, 1080p and 30 frames per second may be enough. If you want a premium result, choose a higher resolution, 60 frames per second if needed, and keep the bitrate high. When everything looks good, click Export to save your changes and start rendering the video. After CapCut finishes exporting, check the final file before uploading it anywhere. This helps you make sure the quality looks right and that your settings work the way you expected. If the video still looks too compressed or blurry, go back and export again with a higher resolution or higher bitrate. And that's how to change CapCut quality the easy way. With just a few export setting adjustments, you can make a huge difference in how your final video looks. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.